Hey filmmakers, we are now at the Fujifilm stand. Here we have the new X-H1. This is the newest and highest model of the X series. So this is quite a nice hold, and also you can add this grip under here. This feels much bigger and actually heavier than the previous X-T2, and also the grip is much bigger. The hold, for me personally, it feels a little bit on the big side, but there are people with bigger hands. The screen flips sideways like this, and also like this. So it depends on if you want to shoot like a low mode or like that. Also, when the camera is turned off, it still shows you the battery life and an exposure, which is kind of weird, but I'm not sure if this is because this is the demo model. And when we turn it on, we see the shutter speed and everything on top of here, so we don't have to purposely look at the screen. And all the dials here for the ISO. And also here for the shutter. This has dual card slots. You can put 2 cards in here. And here under here we have the dial. So here this is for the mode to change to video mode. So we have here different modes. We're going to try out this in 4K and see how the footage is. And put my own card in here so it records to that. So this has a pretty good autofocus system, and also there's now a Fuji own log profile. It's an interesting camera. People are talking and thinking about switching over to this camera to film with. However, the only downside is that it doesn't have a flip screen to film yourself with if you're doing it for YouTube. However, if you're shooting commercials or shooting other things instead of yourself, it's a pretty good camera to use. So that was it at the Fujifilm stand, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.